In this video, we show how to replace the cover on a PowerEdge R770. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove a system cover, rotate the lock counterclockwise to the unlock position, lift up on the latch, and lift the cover off the system. To install the cover, align it with the system, lower it into place, and lower the latch, then rotate the lock to the lock position. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R770, visit dell.com/support.